It was bound to happen at some point. Robert tested positive for COVID. Thankfully, we were able to do our helicopter ride this morning. Testing wasn't until 9 and our helicopter ride was at 8. So we were like, okay, let's go. And then we'll come back and test. Never thought that we would test, or that he would test positive. He's been feeling fine. So we are quarantined for 5 days. We're lucky though that they're going to give us a balcony room. We weren't really sure if they were going to do that. Also, I packed up. They said I'm going to be in quarantine for 5 days. Even if I test negative, I have to quarantine for 5 days because we were in close contact. So I just packed up some clothes and my skincare stuff. I have like some workout bands I packed, and then I also had to pack up Robert's stuff. He's in a different room right now. Hopefully I packed up enough stuff for him. Quarantine for 5 days. Today's Friday, thankfully, so we should be out by the time of our show next week. Hopefully no one else gets it and we can do our show next week. We didn't do our show this week because one of my other castmates was sick, not with COVID, but was just too sick to do the show. So I really hope that we have a show this week. Yeah, here we go. Okay, I just got to my isolation cabin. The views are great. Can't complain. And the room is good. I'll show you that in a second. But right now I'm filling out my lunch, dinner, and breakfast meal plan. I guess I have to pick everything that I want for the whole week. Here are some of the options for dinner. We've got a grain roll. I'm going to do stuffed peppers and chicken. I'm going to get pizza pretty much every day just in case I hate everything else. It's like my backup. There's a lot of options, and I'm hoping that it is as good as it all sounds. How's it going over here? You got your meals picked out?
I'm working on it. Believe it or not, watch this is like not even how this works.
I know.
This is how it seems works, but I put on a robe, but I don't want to like.
Okay, so I just put my food menu outside, so dinner should be here probably soon. It's already like 5, so we'll wait for that. But in the meantime, let me give you a little cabin tour. All right, this will be a short tour considering how small the room is, but it's much bigger than my cabin, so I'm so happy. We've got this queen bed here. Oh my God, amazing. Above the bed, there's this mirror. There's so many mirrors in this room. There's another one right here. And then over here, we've got the closet. Really nothing special. There is a robe in there, which I plan to wear. And then some storage stuff. They gave us this whole box of water, thankfully. They gave us these trash bags to put all of like our food and stuff in when we are done. They're gonna bring our meals to us and leave them just right outside the door. Right back this way is the bathroom. Blue floors, which is interesting. It's honestly super similar to the one that we have in our cabin already, but it's just a little bit bigger. So there's towels, and then over here, really similar sink. I brought like all of my skincare. I was like, okay, maybe I'll like paint my nails. I'll do like my gua sha, like just all this stuff. I brought this so that I can sit outside and tan. I just like didn't know what I would need, so I just kind of brought whatever I could think of. Over here, we've got a really small desk, but they did have a blow dryer, which is good because I didn't bring mine up here. And then there's a mini fridge in here. Unfortunately, no mini bar, but I have water in there, which great. TV, another little storage thing, another mirror, lots of mirrors. And then the amazing balcony, which right now we are going past the Nepali coast. My first meal just arrived. Let's go see what I got. Got a little mixed salad with a piece of bread. Delish. I don't think there's any dressing on it. Love that for me. Little fruit cup with cantaloupe. And then linguine, roasted sweet potato, grilled veggies, and fruit salad. Okay. This doesn't look bad. I'm like starving, so this will be great. We got to see the Nepali coast from the sky today and now by boat, which is really cool. And that'll be probably the most exciting thing that we see all week. We don't have any sea days on this ship, so we will just kind of be looking at shipping docks all week. This will definitely be the best view that we get probably all week. So let's go eat dinner outside. day 1 of quarantine, and they just brought me my breakfast. They gave me my warm lemon water, which is good because they didn't give me my tea last night, so I'm really happy about that. And then I got some fruit. This is a bagel and cream cheese, lots of bacon, and hash browns, and then some cereal. So yeah, I'm pretty happy with this.
Bagel with cream cheese, fruit salad, and your nice sausage.
Okay, I seriously have the best cast. One of my castmates just went and got us some Gatorades and then some snacks. She got me some trail mix and dried mango just to keep me going. The meals have been like fine. I'm not like starving or anything, but I just wanted like something that I wanted and had a choice over. So this is amazing. Thank you, Maddie. And I think my dinner just got delivered, so I'm gonna go grab that. Okay, so we got actually a new menu because the one that we filled out was from last week apparently. So we have to refill this out again. Let's see. Oh, some pasta with some red sauce. Not mad about that. A little salad, very nice. And pizza. Super healthy meal today. Quarantine views. Which car do you want? Quarantine views. Oh, no. Not gonna lie, I'm feeling pretty bored today. I have been working on this vlog for most of the morning. It's 12:39 right now. Me and Robert have been chatting on the balcony for a little while. What else have I done? I'm bored. Also, I clearly cannot be bothered to do my hair or put any makeup on right now. So this is what you get. Okay, this might be the best room service yet. Look at this. Chicken tenders. Damn it, I wish I asked for ketchup, but that's okay. They look bomb. I got some ice cream. I'm actually not mad about that at all. Looks good. I saw this hairstyle on TikTok. I don't know if it's gonna work, but I figured there's no better time to try a new hairstyle than in quarantine before everyone sees you do it, so I'm posting it on the internet, so it doesn't matter. Oh, someone else in my cast did test positive, so there's 3 of us now in quarantine. Hopefully no one else. Oh, and one of our wardrobe people, so there's 4 of us. There likely will not be a show this week. Yeah. Good night. Good morning. It is quarantine day 3, I think. I'm gonna take out these little hair things that I tried when I saw on TikTok. Let's see what they look like. I don't know about this. The girl on TikTok had like really curly hair afterwards. I have really, kind of looks like I have dreadlocks a little bit. Maybe if I put some makeup on I'll like it better, but I don't think I like it. Robert and I were just sitting outside on the balcony chatting, and we get a text from one of our castmates saying, "Hey guys, I just tested positive for COVID." And we're like, no. So oh my god, can't talk. Someone in my cast responded and was like, "Oh my gosh, don't worry about it. I hope you feel better." Whatever. 5 minutes later, that same person was like, "I just tested positive." And then it was literally just a ripple effect. There was 3 people that tested positive. 2 people live with those people, so they're close contact, and then 1 person is just close contact as well. So we have a total of 5 positives in the cast, which means all 9 of us are now in quarantine, including our stage manager and our wardrobe supervisor. And yeah, we're all just in quarantine now. I don't know what we're gonna do. That's pretty insane that all 9 of us are now quarantined. We also help with crew staff duty, so I'm not sure, obviously losing 9 of us is insane. I don't know what they're gonna do. I still feel fine. I have no symptoms, and hopefully it stays that way. But yeah, that's the situation as of now. Anyways, we are gonna watch Sail Away. We're sailing from We're sailing from Maui today, and we're just gonna hang out on the balcony for a little bit, and that's it for today. this video the helicopter ride that we did. I took a ton of videos and I want to show you guys because it was so cool. We did it with Island Helicopters. It was a 55-minute ride and I was a little nervous. I didn't really think about getting motion sickness. That just didn't cross my mind. And then the guy was like, yeah, you might feel like a little sick. Just like focus on the scenery if you start to feel sick. And I was like, oh, weird. Okay. And toward the end, I definitely started to not feel great. We did doors on, which I'm really glad that we did. The door was all glass down the side anyway. So it felt like, you know, there wasn't a door there, but I don't think I could have done door off. I would have been scared. I was scared, like, the way that the helicopter turns is just, it's crazy. Like, I didn't know what it was going to feel like. And so, yeah, it was amazing. But I definitely was a little scared at times. If you're going to do a helicopter ride and you're, like, unsure, I would say do it. It was so cool. Yeah, so here's a little montage of what we got to see on our ride. Alright, I'm about to get my last lunch in quarantine, hopefully, as long as I keep testing negative. Yeah, last lunch. I called earlier and asked for a coffee because I just need it today, and thankfully they brought it. Wasn't sure if they would, and I'm not sure what I ordered. Let's see. I have no idea what this is. It's like some sort of chicken, I don't know, veggies, and the noodles look pretty good, and then a crap ton of bread, which, if you know me, you know I love bread.
Where are they? I already lost them. Right where?
Right there.
Oh wow. Oh wow.
Oh, there's one right there.
Oh, look at all of them over there.
Oh, did you see it to the flip?
No, I didn't, because I'm filming for you.
Okay, well, just do wide angle and get it off. They're gonna hit them. Oh, fuck.
They're driving right for them.
Oh, God.
That's pretty aggressive.
Are you still there?
Yeah.
What's your favorite color?
Me? Oh, are you doing this thing right now?
The nurse came and tested me about an hour ago, and she just called me and told me that I am negative, so I will be getting out tomorrow. Thank goodness. I am ready to get out of here. Get me out of here! The first thing that I'm gonna do is go get a latte. Having like gross black coffee every day is just not the vibe for me. I need a latte, so that's the first thing that I'm gonna do tomorrow, but they will test us in the morning again just to make sure, and then hopefully everything will be good to go from there. Robert also tested negative, so that's good. One more person in my cast actually tested positive, so another person there, but right now I'm going to pack up all of my shiz. It is a hot mess in here, so I need to clean up and pack so that in the morning when they come and test me, I can get out of here right away. So, and I'm also going to just sit on my balcony and enjoy this last sail away from Kona. I am definitely gonna miss this balcony. I do not want to go back to my room, but that's okay. I will just make the most of it tonight. Okay, so the nurse just came and swabbed me, and I'm just waiting for a phone call to see if I'm still negative, and then if I am, they'll let me out of here. Today is also Robert and I's 4-year anniversary, so we didn't have anything planned because we weren't sure what the situation would be. We're trying to go to a coffee shop, but we'll see if we have to work. We aren't really sure if they're gonna be like, hey, you're out, you have to work now. We'll see. So that's the plan for now, but I'm just waiting to get the call and we'll see if we can leave. They just called and said that we are good to go. So they asked us to just take our sheets, pillowcases, everything, and put them in a red bag. And also put the towels and everything in there. So that is about it. We're just waiting for the nurse to come. She's gonna fog us. They fogged us on the way here. I don't know what is in it, but they literally just followed us with this, I don't know what it is, like antibacterial fog machine. And so they're gonna come in and fog the room and then like fog us, and then we will be good to go. Thank God. Yeah. I'm vlogging.
Oh, okay. I was like, I thought you were talking to someone about getting with the ship.
I am. To my subscribers.
To my audience.
All 85 of them.
Yeah, girl.
We're getting out. How do you feel?
Tired.
You ready to get out? It's really bright.
Yeah, it seems like we're about to head into a bigger shit show though. So.
Yeah, stay tuned because things might be getting even worse. We'll see. It's exciting.
Red level 1.
We're gonna get off the ship today in the hopes, or
Hopefully
mostly,
get off.
we're gonna get off today hopefully because we aren't sure if shore leave is about to be taken away from us. We've heard some rumors. I can't do it.